Hello students, this is your Pragasham sir from Math Beyond Marks, where concepts first and marks follow automatically. Today's is video number 13 with the concept writing numbers in exponential form from class 8 chapter 2 power play. In video number 12, we have seen what is meant by a base, what is meant by a power and exponent. If you didn't watch that one, please go to video number 11 and 12 of this playlist so that you can understand this chapter number 2 power play very easily. Shall we go to the video? Yes, start the concepts. In video number 12, we learned 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 4, where this 2 is the base, okay, and this 4 is the power. You remember that can be called as exponent also power. Totally it is exponents. Okay, now 2 to the power of 4, we are going to find the value writing numbers in the exponential form. No, this one is exponential form of writing is 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so whatever the numbers were given, that we are going to write in exponential form. Not only this, for writing this one, this much big chapter is needed. No, there are some concepts. That means, for example, take this one. 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024. That is nothing but this you ought to write 10 times. 10 times if you multiply the values 1024, or for the 2 power 10, you will be reading as 2 raised to the power 10. 2, the number 2 raised to the power 10. So likewise 2 raised to power 4. Okay, this is the way of reading these exponents. So 2 raised to power 4 is written as 2 to the power of 4. This is called 2 to the power of 4, and 2 to the power of 4 means in reverse order. 2 to the power of 4 or 3 or 5 means you are writing 2 4 times in the product, and the value of this one how to find means 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. The value is 16. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 2 to the power 4. Again, you can write like this also. 7 into 7 is 7 square. One more example, 5 into 5 into 5 is nothing but 5 cube. Not only this one, it is alone not sufficient. We can write a into a into a as a cube. T into t you can write as t square. Like this and all we can go on writing. So all those things are writing in terms of which one? Powers. Powers to numbers and numbers to powers. Exponential form to number, number to exponential form. If a number is given, you can write in exponential form. If it is given in exponential form, you can write it as a number. Can you try this? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, what is the answer for this one? 6 into 6. What is the answer? A into A into A into A. What is the answer for this and all? So, will you find the answers for this one? Try this. Okay, when you try, then you can understand. Very easily you will say the answer. This is not the big thing at all, but big things are waiting. Wait. Now we are going to see few sums from Figure It Out. Okay. Figure it out from your textbook. Question number 1. Okay, what are they? Yeah. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Can you write the answer for this one? Yes, it is nothing but 6 to the power of 4. But this has some more value, some more things that we will see later. Now, what would be y into y? What is the answer for this one? Y power 2. y raised to the power 2. See, b into b into b into b. How many times it is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So b is written 4 times, that is b to the power of 4. Okay. Now here is a next model question. 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. Two things are there. How you will write? Nothing to worry. You write this 2. 5 raised to the power 2, 5 square into 7 cube, 7 to the power of 3. That's all. This is the answer for this one. So whatever it is, that you write as it is. Then one more thing, a into a into a into c into c into c, one more c and d. Like this question is given. Okay, let it be there. What is the answer for this one? A is there 3 times. Okay, a cube into c is there 1, 2, 3, 4 times, c to the power of 4 into d is only 1 time, d to the power of 1. No need to write d. Now, do you feel that's all exponents? No. Now, like this also you can write. Like this also it may come minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. What is the answer now? Same thing only here. Minus 2 is repeated 3 times. So, write it as minus 2 to the power of 3. The value we'll see afterwards. Next one, simply you write minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. This one, or 2 times or 3 times, whatever it is, you write what is the value. This is minus 5 whole to the power of 3. You can find the value, that will be minus. Suppose if I add one more minus here, minus 5, then it will come 4 times, but the answer will be 4, and 4 times means the answer will come in positive. Very clear? So the answer will be positive if there are even number of negative numbers. Even number, that means 2, 4, 6, like that, minus into minus plus. In that concept, that becomes positive. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, that is 3 times, means minus 8. Minus 5 into minus 5, 2 times means it will be plus 25. 4 times means 25 into 25, that is 625, that is positive. Are you clear? These are the examples from your book. We'll see the next concept. Okay, students, let me take this example. What is that? 1, 5, 6, 8. We have not seen this number so far, I feel. Okay, take this number and do prime factorization. Okay, 8, even number. So we can divide it by 2. Always easier. 2, 7, 8, 4, 784. Again 4, even number with the 2 table. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 1, 18, 9, 92. Again 2. Yes, it is possible. 2. 1 time, 19 it is coming. So 8 times, 19 means not 8 times, 9 times. Okay, 9 times 18, 1 remainder, 6 times, 196. Again 2 with the 2 table, 8 times. 8 times 16, 9 times 18. So 9 times, again 2 tables with 2 tables, 19, that means 9 times 18, then 1 remainder, it will be 8, 98. Again 2 table, 98, I have to write it clearly. Okay, now 2 table, 49. Yeah, sure. Now 49 is easy. 49 with 7 tables, 7 sevens are 49. That means this number 1568 is written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over into 7 into 7. That is nothing but now 2 to the power of 5 into 7 to the power of 2 over. So this is called exponents. Writing the number into exponents. If it is given in exponents, you will get a number by multiplying. Simple. So how you are going to get the exponents? by prime factorization. Suppose if they have given simply t into t, yeah, you can write it as t square. This normal. In this, our next example is 50625. 50625. Okay. 0. 50625. Now the ending digit is 5, so it is easy for us. Remember, like exponents, 5, if you divide by 5, it reduces 5 times. The number will become very less. So if you multiply by 5, it will become very large. Dividing by 5, it will go reduced. So quickly it will get reduced, and small number you can divide easily. So 5 one time. Here only you will be doing mistakes, no, 0 times. That means 50 you take, 5 tens are 50, and 1 time, 1 remainder, 2 times, again 2 remainder, 5. Okay, one more time it is coming with 5 only. So again 5 table, 2 times, here 12, 2 times, again 225. Yes, fantastically I did it. Okay, now imagine 10,000, 125. We are dividing by 5. Will you get only 225, 225? Just small, the answer came like this. Okay, good, well and good. 5, 20, 200, sir. It is just 1000, not 10,000. Therefore, here there is one mistake. What is a general mistake? Every time we will be doing. Here also it came, and here also. Now 5 twos are 10, and we are taking 2 digits next. So you have to add 1 0 here. Okay, that means the answer is this one, 2025. Okay, let that mistake be in that color, then only you will realize. Okay, even if you do mistake, that is not the problem, but try to find out that mistake 5 times. Yeah, 50,000 reduced to 10,000. That's good. 10,000 5 times can come to 2,000. That's good, but it cannot come to 200. Very important logic. That is called concept. Okay, next again 5 table only. 5 times, 5 fours are 20. Again it comes same zeros. Well, a problem here comes. So 0. 2 numbers you are taking 25. Therefore 5 fives are 25. Again with 5 table. Now 5 eights are 40. 2 numbers we have taken them first. That is allowed. In the middle only 2 numbers not allowed. 81. Now came the different number. 81 has come, that we know it is divisible by 3. 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. Okay, what is the final answer? Okay, 50625 can be written as 5 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4 and product of 3 to the power of 4. 5 power 4 into 3 power 4. This is your next example. In this video, what we are seeing is, if a number is given, we wrote it in exponents form, and if exponents are given, we wrote it in number form. Converting to exponents means we are using prime factorization. That very important concept is prime factorization. I hope you would have understood. If you understood the concepts, you like this video and pass on this information to your friends also. If you didn't watch previous videos, please watch so that you can learn all the concepts thoroughly. This channel's tagline itself, concepts first, marks follow. That's very important. You have to learn the concept. Here nothing is there. Converting from here to there, there to there. Here means just writing, dividing, and be careful while dividing in prime factorization method and all. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Bye from your Pragasam sir.